Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Dealers. In a previous lecture, we have talked about the Numpy. In this lecture, we will talk about the Scipy. So, if you want to get more information about the Scipy, you can also switch to our website. The website is www.salesforcedealer.com. After the opening this page, click on the Learn Python section. Then after that, click on Scipy. So the SciPy is a library of Python. It is the open source library used for the scientific computing and the mathematical problem. So SciPy provide the optimization, linear algebra, integration, the interpolation. So it is to provide the user-friendly numerical integration. So why use the SciPy? So SciPy contains the complex and mathematical algorithm which is used for the high-level complex application due to the open source library. It is widely used in the world and developed the application. So usually beneficial for the data scientist and the mathematician. So why NumPy versus the SciPy? So basically NumPy to deal with the basic operation like a searching, indexing, sorting, but the SciPy deal with the numerical data and the deal with the complex mathematical algorithm. So NumPy provide the many function to solve the linear algebra and the Fourier transformation, but the SciPy is the full feature of the both properties. So here is the package of the SciPy. You can also read it, get the information about it. So how to install the SciPy in your system? So pip install. So SciPy. I have already downloaded, so then I don't have to download. You can see here the requirements are already satisfied. Okay, guys. So now take some basic program of the SciPy. It's a basic example of the Google Colab I'm opening. So import numpy as np from scipy import io. So array is equals to np dot zeros. Okay, zeros. It's about a 5 into 5. It's a 5 by 5. So io dot same it. It's a exam dot met and is open the curly braces, and take them as a dictionary. It's a b, a and b, a, and b, and take the array. Okay, guys. So okay, so let's take another. So pro, which is a program, is equals to io dot load mat. So here is example dot mat. So here I'm save this all the data into this. So now I'm taking example. So struct as a record. Here I'm reading IO. It's when it's reading and opening the file. So here's the true. So now print. So it's a program and a and b. So run this program. So here I am creating the 5 by 5 dimension array. So what is the invalid syntax? So let's see about it. So okay, so I'm forgetting to use the comma. Again run this. So in this line, save the data is the example.met, and now load the data set from the example.met. Now you can see it's a 5 by 5 matrix, and it's a it is a 0. So that's why it's assigned into the 0. So let's take the another example for that. So import, so from scipy dot special import cbrt. Okay, just cubic root. So a is equals to cbrt. So now it's 10 and 20 cubic root for this. So print the value. So print a. So let's take the answer of this. So you can see it's both cubic root of this is the 10. The cubic root is the 2.154 and something like that. The 20 is the 2.71 is the 4 something like that. So now let's take the permutation of the combination. So let's take another code. So from scipy dot special import CUMB. So permutation combination. So a CUMB now 8 and the 6. So here the extract equals to true. Okay, so repetition is equals to false. Repeat TII is okay. So repetition is equals to false. Now print a. Now you can see the combination of this number. So 8 and 6. So now you get the answer about the 2 and 8. So what is the wrong with that? So here, okay, so not abstract. So okay, it's mistake. It's exact. Okay, so now it's exact. So what is the wrong? What is the wrong that? So here is the 8 and C. So I want to find the exact value. So so exact is equal to true and repetition is equal to false. So okay, so let's remove this. Let's talk about it. Okay. Okay, so it is a 28. It's it's a combination of that. So let's take the another example for that. So finding the determinant of the two matrix. So how to find the determinant of the two matrix? So let's see. So first, it's a 2D matrix. Okay, guys, the 2D matrix is ABC. It's not it's np dot array. Okay, so now it's about 7. Okay, so 7 comma 9, and again we have 6 comma 4. So here is a 6 comma 4. So line linear dot date is a 2D matrix. So let's run this program. So before we so let's import the linear algebra. So from Scipy import linear ALG, it's a linear algebra. Okay, so run this program. So now you can see it is a what is that? So it is a finding the determination of the 2D matrix. So that's it for this session, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks for my watching video. Thank you, guys.